Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable suggest text corrections writing assistant on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Go down and tap on suggest text corrections. And in here, tap on the toggle button right next to your keyboard language. Now you can also tap on manage apps. And in here, you can choose which apps can use these features. Any apps that you don't want to use these features, you can switch it off. For example, this app right here, ABP or AdBlock Fast, I can switch it off. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.